What's up, gang? It's your boy, Post Game. Poster, A. And today, this is my first video. And so, I'm just gonna do a DIY. If you break the toenail clip or whatever y'all call it, this is the video how to fix it. So let me take it apart for you, and I'll see y'all when I take it apart. So guys, I took it all apart, 3 pieces. It's 3 pieces. Okay. So first, you're gonna grab this piece and this piece. Once you do that, you want to stick this piece in the smallest hole. See? Big hole, smallest. You want to stick it in the smallest hole first. And then squeeze it to stick it in the big one. So after you do that, you want to grab this part. And the bottom line right here, the bottom line right there, you want to put that onto it like that. And there you go. You fixed your toenail clipper. As you guys can see, it's working. So that is how you do it. It took me some practice. I learned it one day, and I decided, why not do a YouTube video? Why not start me a YouTube channel? And so my name is Jason Austin. Post Game. Post me everywhere. Show me to your friends. Like this video up and subscribe. No, but I will see you on next video. Turn on post notifications so you get alert every time I post. And peace, Post Game.